Well, hi everyone. Okay, our Algebra 2, we start our videos, and the first unit we are going to be doing is kind of reviewing some of the things you did in Algebra 1. Let's just get to some of the vocabulary, but we're talking about expressions and formulas, kind of the language of algebra, and variables. What are they? Well, they are letters used to represent unknown quantities. And the word vary is part of it. So what you substitute in for the variable can be different. It can vary. And but there's just a letter that's in place of a number used to represent unknown numbers. Now, a numerical expression with at least one variable is an algebraic expression. So an expression with at least one variable that be in there is an algebraic expression, which is what we're going to be dealing with today, and mostly just the expressions. Now, order of operations. You've been doing this for a while, I think. We'll just keep that PEMDAS, keep that acronym going here. But you work with the grouping symbols, which are the parentheses. Evaluate what is inside the parentheses first, and then after you've gotten the parentheses figured out, you work with and evaluate anything with exponents, and then you multiply or divide. And it doesn't matter, you're going left to right. But from left to right, you multiply or divide. And then you add or subtract. Again, from left to right. And it doesn't matter if subtraction comes before addition as you're going left to right. So it's really just 4 steps. It's not 6 steps. You don't multiply before you divide necessarily. Only multiply if it comes before the division. And the same with addition and subtraction. These two kind of go together in a step, and these two go together in a step. All right. Now, let's just evaluate some algebraic expressions. For these two algebraic expressions, we're going to use the value m is 12 and q is -1. So the first thing I want to do is substitute. Where m is, I want to put 12, and where q is, I want to put -1. I got a minus here and I got a -1 here. And then you have that second power. So I'm going to write this 12 plus, and do what's in parentheses. This is 3 minus -1, which is 3 plus 1, which is 4. That looks a lot like a 7, so let me be a little more careful with that negative sign. And you got your power now. Okay, now we are ready. We've taken care of parentheses. It's got 4. What's in parentheses was 4. And now we're ready to look for exponents, which we do have one, and 4 to the second power So this goes to 4, and 4 to the second power is 16. And then we just add the 12 and 16, and we get 28. So this expression, when m is 12 and q is equal to -1, is equal to 28. All right, the second one. M is 12 divided by 2 times q, which is 2 times -1, plus 4. All right. We've got to do this part first. 2 times -1 is -2. So 12 divided by -2 plus 4. And we divide first. 12 divided by -2 is -6. -6 plus 4, that is -2. All right, got a couple more examples here. And I think I will save that for the next video.